Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. So Polygon is pushing higher since we hit the support area again here. We made yesterday a slightly lower low in this C wave here, and since then have started to move up possibly in an impulsive way. So we could have here a possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe another push up in a diagonal pattern. That would be part of this C wave of B. So I'm still looking at a possibly short-term higher wave C, or let's call it higher wave B, and within the B wave this would be a wave C with a possible target around $1, $1.05. Would I trade this long? Personally, no, because this would all just be part of a B wave, as you know, and a lot of people don't know that because a lot of people are new on the channel. But if we can recognize that we might be in a B wave, it's probably best to stay away from it. A B wave is very, very unpredictable. The problem with B waves is they have a huge target range, and B waves are among the most difficult waves to trade. And unless you really, really know your stuff, you probably burn your fingers, or burn your hands. That is just due to the situation that B waves can have different shapes and forms. They are choppy, they are messy, they are corrective, they have a lot of overlaps, you have fake outs in there. Yeah, it's a corrective wave. So it is not really, why would you go long, for example, in a corrective wave, which basically goes against the higher level trend? Doesn't make too much sense. I am normally staying away from B waves. They can be traded, but I prefer usually to stay away from them. They're not the best waves to trade. So at the moment, it's a little bit difficult here to say where we're going, because we did come into the Fibonacci support area. We saw a reaction, what you would expect in such a support area. Again, as I mentioned yesterday, this was the support area for the B wave between the 38.2% Fib level that we now reacted to and the 61.8% Fib level. So without a problem, we could still come down a little bit lower. And even down to 80 cents. Yeah, we talked about that yesterday, that ideally this is the area, but I could still justify the current count even if we drop down to 80. But below 80 cents, I have to be in favor of a direct sell-off. That would be in line with the higher level trend anyway. My view is still that we're going to come down lower here in this wave 2 before we see a substantial recovery for Polygon MATIC. It is a really, really boring and long sideways mess which is happening here, which has been, we've basically been in this range since whatever August. So yeah, it's a really long sideways range, and in my view at the moment is that at best this is going to be a corrective move to the upside. This here looked corrective in 3 waves, and at the moment I cannot guarantee to you that we are already starting to move up in wave C. It currently looks like it because we broke above the B wave high. However, we have not broken above generally this this resistance up there at 95 cents. So this is the A wave high, and it is absolutely possible that what we've seen, yes, we came down maybe in a wave A of B, but that this is still the B wave of B, and we then come down in C. So see, that is the difficulty. The big challenge we currently have with this count is that this here is a B wave in B. That could still be ongoing. Yeah, it could still be ongoing, because you could have in this B wave, you have an A, B, C. We made a lower low here, yes, but it was not substantial enough to really give a clear bottom here. And so again, that is so difficult with these B waves. And if we, maybe we still are in the B wave of B, yeah, of C, whatever, of this. Understand this. This is a larger B wave, messy in itself. Then we might still be in the blue B wave, even more messy, and we might even be in this white B wave still. So it's the messiest of messy situations you can get into. So I would stay away from this at the moment. If we, and that's the benefit of Elliott waves, if we can recognize a B wave, but stay away from it. Yeah, that's just my recommendation. I mean, I can't give you any advice. Do what you like, but I know a lot of people usually burn their hands when trading a B wave, and you don't need to trade a B wave. There's many other charts that are not in a B wave, so feel free to check out those. But yeah, so there is not any high confidence count here at the moment. This is just sideways structure movement. I think we have this opportunity to move up in wave C. I would really only confirm that as soon as we break above the A wave high at 95 cents. We did attempt to break out above this descending trend line today, but then we lost it again. You know, now we're slightly above it. Also, that is not really a significant or very clear sign. If we go up in wave C, I can give you a target for that C wave, and the target would be based on the recent low here. The first target would be the 61.8% extension at 99 cents. The second target would be the $1.05 level. Going above that would make me favor maybe something more bullish, which would be a substantial bullish breakout then. But until then, I'm looking at all of this just as corrective upside that we have here, A, B, C. Before we come down further, most likely into the yellow support area between 47 and 69 cents. Generally, this is still a good chart. Yeah, I have no complaints over this chart other than it's really a long sideways mess here. But we still see this as a wave 1, then here an ABC pattern, which could come down here in wave 2. Yeah, and unless we drop below 47 cents, the larger bullish pattern is still intact here. Okay, and that's my update about Polygon MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.